Hi, you guys, it's your girl Kendra Moore. Did you know that you can make your own nasal inhaler kit? All you need are your essential oils. I use eucalyptus essential oil, rosemary essential oil, and peppermint essential oils. If you don't have all three and you only have one, that will work as well. And then I get an nasal inhaler kit from Amazon, and that comes with this cotton swab that you see here. I just soak up those essential oils with the cotton swab, and then I insert it into the tube and put that end cap on. And once you have that end cap on, you snap it in there, and voila, you have your nasal inhaler. Now, this is something that's really great for adults, this particular blend. If you're going to use it with a child, I would recommend that you actually skip the peppermint, because peppermint can be kind of harsh on the nasal passages, and instead use lavender and perhaps not put as much essential oils. So you can try that, and I would not recommend this for any child under the age of 2 years old. And that's because their nasal passages are super sensitive. Whether you suffer with seasonal allergies or cold and flu season, this is a great solution to keep around. Give it a try.